Once again, I forgot the password to my PlayStation Network account. Dang it! Hey everyone, thanks for joining me. Did you also forget your password? Because in today's video, I'm going to show you the quickest and easiest way to reset your password, how to receive that from your email, and how to reestablish your account on your primary PlayStation 4. If you enjoy this video and you find any part of it helpful, please be sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe so that you can always stay up to date on more videos just like these. Let's get right into it. From the home screen, if you forgot your password to your PlayStation Network account, it's really easy. So all you have to do is you have to go up to your upper menu bar here and you'll see where it says settings on the right. Hit the X button, and then what you want to do is you want to go into your account management menu, hit the X button, and then it'll ask you to sign in because you haven't signed into your account yet. So once you get to this menu, your primary email address that was used with your PlayStation Network sign-on should be in this bar, but if not, you can re-put it in there again so that it goes to the correct email when you want to reset your password. And then of course, if you forgot your password, just leave that blank. And then see down here where it says forgot password triangle. If you push the triangle button, that will initiate the email being sent to that account. It'll ask you one more time what that email address was that you signed on with, and it should show up here by default if it is your primary PlayStation system. But if it is not your primary PlayStation system, that's okay as well. It will ask you for a couple more things to verify your identity, and then you will probably have to put in your email address in here. But once you do, all you have to do is go down to this bar that says next, and then you hit the X button, and that should send the reset password instructions to your email account, and then you should get your account back up and running once again. And then welcome back to the online multiplayer experience. And that's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it and you found it helpful, please be sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe so that you can always stay up to date on more videos just like these. I'll see you guys in the next one.